So what we're also very interested in is this kind of plasticity. Why does evolution make these kinds of flexible problem-solving machines that can operate in novel configurations and do these kinds of things that are not standard? So the reason that all of this works is that we as biological beings are built on a multi-scale competency architecture, not only structurally, swarms are made of animals, which is made of organs and so on, but functionally, each level of biology is its own kind of agent. It has its own competencies to solve problems in specific spaces. And it is the flexibility and the goal-directedness of these different mechanisms at different levels in different spaces that allow for this kind of remarkable plasticity that I just showed you some examples of, and we'll show you more momentarily. We are pretty good, not great, but pretty good at noticing intelligence in three-dimensional space. So medium-sized objects moving at medium speeds in three-dimensional space, like crows and dogs and things like that, primates, of course. We're pretty good at noticing intelligent behavior. But there are other spaces, such as spaces of gene expression, spaces of physiological states, and the space of possible anatomical states, that we really have a hard time recognizing. And you can imagine that if you had a primary perception of the blood chemistry, your own blood chemistry, and you could feel innately, you could feel all the things that were going on in your body physiology, I think you would have no trouble realizing that you live in this very high dimensional space, and that your liver, your kidneys are navigational agents that are moving you through these spaces to solve the various problems and stressors that come up during the day. But it's hard for us to think that way because all our sense organs are pointing outwards, and we don't really feel what all these amazing tissues are doing. We as observers are saying we've identified or failed to identify some problem space, some set of competencies, and therefore we can make an estimate of what the intelligence of that system is to solve these problems. But that's us taking an IQ test, because we are probably missing quite a bit.